Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to remix photos in Google Photos. That's right, last week we went over how to disable photo suggestions. This week I want to do something more fun. I'm going to show you how to remix photos. Now you're probably wondering what remix means. That's basically you can take pictures from your phone, your photos from Google Photos, and turn them into an anime, comics, sketches, or 3D animations. It's kind of cool that way, and the remix does that type of stuff with your photos, and I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. But before we get going, hit the like on the video, and also make sure you hit the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every Thursday. So make sure you check back every Thursday for a new how-to so you'll learn more from us. Alright, first thing we want to do, that's the first thing, we want to go to we'll get out of this screen, our Google Photos app on your phone. I'm doing this on my Motorola Edge Android phone. Remix is only done on mobile devices. So FYI, you can't go on to Google, online on the browser to do it. You have to do it through your mobile app on your phone. So want to make sure to put that out there right now. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is going to find our Photos app. It's right here at the top for me. Tap on that. Once that opens, it opens all your pictures up, which is great. Well, the next thing we want to do is look to the top for the plus sign, as you can see up here in the top corner, and we're going to tap on the plus sign. And that usually brings up this menu, and create new menu, and you're going to look down this list, and you're going to find Remix down here. I'm going to tap on that, if I can tap it. And then when it opens up, it gives you this. It gives you the choices I was talking about. So it will take your pictures, like there's a sketch one, cartoony ones, that's real cartoony ones. Then you have anime, which would be this one. So it's pretty cool. You have quite a few choices to mess with. I will say, let's choose one. So you want to choose one. I'm going to just choose, let's see. I wasn't ready for choosing. Let's do this one. Tap on that. And then once it's selected, you're going to go down to choose photos. This will take you to your photos. And this is all your photos in your phone. I'm going to just choose this random one right here. And all you do is you're going to tap on that. And then what it does is this. Now, FYI, I should have mentioned that it will give you, if it's the first time you ever use the Google Photos remix, it's going to give you, tell you what it does. It says remix your photos, and I'll put a picture right now, right there, there it is. It tells you basically transform your photos into style like sketch, anime, and more. Pick a portrait, choose your favorite style, and watch the magic happen. So it's just they give you what it is and it says try now. So you're just going to tap that try now. Then you'll go to this screen. So just FYI, that might pop up for you first, and then you'll just jump into this. Back to what we're doing. So we chose our photo, and now we want to generate. So you want to tap the generate button down the bottom. And then it's going to think about it. It likes to think, and it's going to make that into what you wanted. So let's see what it comes up as. I'd love to see if it's good or not. Sometimes it doesn't come out as, it says like at the top, it says results may be unexpected. So this is great. So this shows you, there, it took what I had, a picture of my daughter in her cool pants, and it created this cartoon form. If you don't like this, you can regenerate and it will do it again. So let's do that one more time. Regenerate, so you can redo it, but you only get 3, it's weird, it varies. 3, I got 5 times out of it a day. But they say it can be from 3 to 10. I don't know what the qualifications are. See, it redid it. It did it this way. It made it my daughter's head is not her face, but that's okay. I don't want to do that. So it does this, and it's really fun. But you only get like 3 to 5 times every 24 hours. Sometimes up to 10. I don't know why. Sometimes it does more. Sometimes it does less. But I figured out it let me do it 5 times a day. So if I do 5 of these regenerations, I only can do it that many times. So if you like what you got, which I don't like, I'm going to do it one more time, guys. I want something a little more fun. So it's thinking again, and then it's going to pop up here. And what do we get, guys? We're going to see, it says generating obviously at the bottom, but results may vary. So we're just going to pick this one. It's not my favorite. You can like it, so you can teach the AI, hey, I like this style, and it learns. But and you can share it by hitting the share button at the bottom. You can save it to your phone by tapping the phone save. So let's say I would save it. So you're going to save it to your phone. Boom, hit save. And now it's saved it to my phone in the photos. And so that's it. So if you wanted to do a different style, like we'll do one more if I have another one. So like I said, maybe let me do one more. So let's do this one. And it says generate. Let's see if it lets me. And it did. So I've done 3 3 rounds of remixing, and it's letting me do it. And so it's going to improve quality. And then look, that's awesome. I like that. So that's one I would say, yes, that's awesome. And then I like it. And then I'm going to hit save. You can share it anywhere you want. I'm going to save it, and we're done. That's how easy it is to do this, how to remix photos in Google Photos. But remember, it's only on the mobile. So when we go back, we're done. We can get out of here. It just takes you back to your photos. But that's how easy it is to remix photos in your Google Photos using, obviously, your mobile device. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and the notification bell. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are. And also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.